So your spindle came like this. So the first thing you want to do is assemble it, but don't worry, it's really easy. You take the shaft and you take the two wings, you insert one wing into the other until these holes overlap like that. Take the shaft, insert it through these holes, push it down a little so it's secure, and that's it. Your spindle is now assembled. To make things easier on us, we will also attach a leader. Now a leader is just any piece of string that helps us get some fiber on there. And the easiest way that I found to do it is with a string with two loops on it. A bigger one at the top and a smaller one at the bottom. Now we take the smaller loop, put it over the shaft, and here comes the wrapping part on this type of spindle. You go over two wings, under one wing, over two wings, under one wing, and then you spiral it up the shaft. The next thing is we need to secure it somehow because otherwise it would just come loose again. I like to do that with a half knot. For that, I take the leader and I twist my finger so there is a loop, and this loop I place over the shaft, then I pull it tight. Now the spindle is secure to the leader. This half knot comes off really easily, you just have to tuck on it a little bit. And we have the bigger loop up here and can start our spinning. Now, your fiber weight might look a little bit different. This is some Romney that I have. And you could spin it like this, but what I like to do is I take a small piece of that fiber braid, and especially in the beginning, I pre-draft it, meaning I gently pull the fibers until there's only a little sliver left. That will make spinning a lot easier, especially in the beginning. And on one end, I'm gonna pull even further until there's only a few fibers left. I'm gonna take these few fibers and pull them through the loop. The leader is now hanging on the loop. Close it together. Move this out of the way. Now I'm adding twist. I'm gonna take the spindle, give it a nice good tug, and you see that the twist collects over here. I'm gonna pull a little bit, gather a little more twist there, add a little bit more twist. And I'm gonna cover this in more detail in the actual spinning video. Now when you have a certain length of thread spun, you want to hold it under a little bit of tension, not too much. And Fiberdog Hestia is really interested in the spindle. And you want to wrap it around your fingers in a figure-8 movement. Then you tuck on the little slip knot, undo the spiral, and then again go over two wings, under one wing, over two, under one, over two, under one, over two, under one, over two, under one, and then you spiral up again. Then again you do your little half knot, you take the loop, twist your finger, and move that loop over the shaft, and you're ready to go.